I had a lump on my back. It was about here. It was as big as €2 maybe. I had it for 4 years, and before it I had another 2 on my back. I had to have them surgically removed. I did not feel like going through all the hassle again, having to go to hospital, operation. And I said, why am I relying on the world? Why don't I try and ask God? At first I prayed to Jesus to heal it for me. Down in my spirit I felt him telling me, no, I give you the power and authority to cast out demons and to cast out sickness. So I put my hand on my shoulder where it was, with the power and authority given to me by the Lord Jesus Christ. I order you, get out of my body. Out. Out. A day later, I started smelling a horrible smell, and I went to check in the mirror and I saw the stuff in the lump coming out. It was like I was having surgery without feeling anything.